I had the most obscure. It's like every now and then I'll have these most bizarre thoughts that just spontaneously appear out of nowhere. And on one hand, I'm corresponding, you know, the relationship between music and art. Music from a compositional standpoint. You have phrasing, like when you have a melody or when you solo it, there's a term called phrasing. Phrasing is basically and that correlates, and the music correlates with linguistics, you know, language and human interpersonal communication, where phrasing is just the way where we pause between the sentence, like where there's a pause. We pause between the sentence. That has to do with the whole phonological features of linguistics. You know. Two key areas in linguistics: phonetics and phonology. Study sound, different variations of sound. Right.